Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week between 17 and 22nd of March. So let's get started. This is the first one on US 30 from 40-minute chart. This is sell orders right there. You will see all the orders, sell or buy with the yellow mark here on the left. Everything is by the setup. We have to have 4 conditions to pull the trigger. So this is the first one here to the downside. And this is S&P 500 going to the upside from 51.31 to 51.60. Buy orders right there. SL move to break even plus. This is Euro Aussie buy order there. And right there, this is the system setup actually. 75 pip on the 19th. And this one is pound Aussie because of the Aussie weakness. Euro Aussie, pound Aussie both went up a little bit. And this one also is for 70 pip. Pound yen, beautiful. Well, yen, you're going to see a lot of yen long, and I'll show you why at the end. This is buy order here on the 19th, 120 pip. And this is CAD yen. See, all yen pairs you'll see to the upside. 50 pip here. This is Euro yen, long, gone for 75 pip. And this is USD yen, buy order right there. See this yellow is a small arrow that shows that my EA open up the trade. Sometimes when I'm available, then I just change into alarm so I can open trade manually. And when I'm not there or doing something else on some other computer, then I put the EA on, and the EA opens up the trade. This one is pound yen again from 7-minute chart for 130 pip after retracing a little bit, and then it went up again. And then USD yen also did the same thing. After retracing, it went up again for 80 pip from 7-minute chart. And then Euro yen did the same thing for 130 pip. They all went up big time. US oil, nice long trade from here to here, from 81.70 to 82.67. NASDAQ again from here to here, from 179.00 to 180.36. This one you can see is a pound Aussie from 7-minute chart. Sell orders right there, all the way down 65 pip, small trade, but something, right? It's all 19, by the way. So many trades on 19. Euro USD is from 7-minute chart, also down to the 55 pip. Now on the 20th, this one, the entry was on the 19th, but it didn't move much. So I held it for the next day, and then the next day, 20th, it pulled up already. Now, yen was weak, so all yen pair went up, but Aussie got weaker as well. So this one, this Aussie yen didn't go much higher at that time. But the next day, Aussie got strong. So Aussie got strong when the yen was weak. So from here, it went up more. So that's why it's 160 in 2 days. Both currency acted against each other, and the imbalance increased. That's what happened. On the 20th, CAD yen again, beautiful long trade from the 20-minute chart. And this one is pound USD now, 60 pip to the upside. It went up a little bit after FOMC. Pound Aussie went down because of the Aussie strength. You see, I mean, these strength and weakness comes in and out because of the fundies from the news, right? So one day the news is good, the price gets strong. The other, that currency gets strong, and then the other day, the next day, you will see the news is bad, and then that currency gets weaker. So that's what's up and down. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. So you have to judge, according to the fundies. Fundy is the one that moved the market, not the technical or anything else. When fundy comes in, and after that, you see which way it is going, and with your using your system, you make the entry in that direction. Pound yen down. First, you saw the long side, then this is on the 21st, big time to the downside. After it went up all the way to the upside, and then start all the way to the downside, retracing actually. This is the entry from 7-minute chart based on 40-minute. Make it a reversal from the top, and then 7-minute, take the entry. This was the entry taken, but this is the entry. This is the entry. This is the entry. This is the all of this. Euro yen 21st. This is what happened. This is beautiful entry to the downside, 70 pip here. Pound yen again was coming down, and then 140 pip on the 22nd. It comes down, then it retraces a little bit, then it comes down. That's happened all the time. And then pound USD. This was on the 22nd, right? After the red news of USD, it got stronger, and Euro USD, pound USD went down. First, I took the long on 20-minute, which got bad, and then I switched to the downside from 7, took it to the downside and covered everything, plus made some more. That's how you use. This is it. That's all the trades, almost like 22, 23 trades last week. Very, very good trades. A week before that was only 6 trades. So that happens. What happened is one week the market moves impulsive way, and then the other week start retracing, right? So when it is impulsively moving, you have all big trades going away from the wave, and then nice move. But then market has to retrace a little bit, right? So that happens. So 1 week is very good, 1 week is not that good, something like that. The reason all pound pair went, yen pair went up was this. This is the chart I made. That this is a yen index chart. It's making a beautiful agile wave count. Wave 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. I said this is wave 4. If this is wave 4, then we're supposed to go for wave 5 to the upside, right? So this chart turned into this on the 20th. Right, so it hit 127 and then start to drop a little bit, but I think that's going to bounce from 70, 49 and then still go up a little bit more towards this area or this TL to the upside and get weaker, and then we will have more yen pairs, long setups coming in next week. All right, so get ready for that, and we take it from there. Okay, so just wanted to share with you guys these trades. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I'm gonna be making another video showing some nice setups on different pairs, indices, and maybe gold trade. So you can get the video on time over the weekend and then get ready for the next week. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day or weekend.